Really? This, it's a rhetorical question, so I'm sure would you accept it? Ya Allah, you created me from nothing. You brought me into this world. You've given me so much bounties, so much bounties. My brothers, maybe because of the corruption of the heart and the societies that we live in, they led us to believe that to see, you need healthy eyes. No, you're wrong. There are millions of people who have eyes, but they can't see. It is Allah that allows you to see, not your eyes. And many of us think that to walk, man, you need a pair of legs. No, you're wrong again. There are millions around the world who have legs, but they can't walk. It is Allah who allows you to walk. And to hear, you think, man, you need a pair of ears. I tell you, you're wrong again, for there are millions around the world who have ears, but they can't hear. It is Allah that allows you to hear. So much that Allah has given us, and still arrogance in the heart towards Him. Still too proud, too busy. What is it, my brothers and sisters, that has kept you away from Allah? What, your car? Your money? What, your business? Sometimes, and of course Allah is above any example, but sometimes I think, how does Allah feel? I gave him all these things.